In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take meeting notes in ClickUp, Team Workflow 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to set up a doc, and how to use a meeting notes template so your team captures agendas, decisions, and action items in one place. Start by heading to clickup.com. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or use a connected social login, whichever your team prefers. After you're in, make sure you're on the correct workspace so your notes live where your team expects to find them. You'll land on your ClickUp homepage. On the left side, look for the Spaces panel. Spaces are your high-level containers for teams or projects, and they're the best place to keep meeting notes organized. Open the space where your meetings belong so everything stays consistent and easy to find later. Inside that space, locate Docs. If your team already has a meeting notes doc, open it to keep all sessions in a single, organized location. If you don't see one, create a new doc from the plus button in the space and choose Docs. Give it a clear name, and, if your team uses naming conventions or folders, follow those to keep things tidy. You can adjust visibility later if you need broader access, but for now, focus on getting the structure in place. Once your doc is open, you're ready to add content using blocks. Click the plus button within the doc to insert what you need. Blocks can be headings, paragraphs, checklists, tables, dividers, and more. A simple layout works best. A heading for the meeting title and date, a section for the agenda, another for discussion notes, then decisions and action items. Checklists are great for action items because they're easy to scan and track. Keep your formatting consistent so future notes are effortless to skim. To speed things up, use a template. In the doc, choose the Templates option. In the template library, search for meeting notes. Select a template that fits your team's style, then apply it. You'll see pre-built sections to guide your note-taking. Replace the placeholder text with the meeting title, date, and participants. Paste or type the agenda, and jot down key points as the conversation unfolds. Capture decisions in their own section so they don't get buried. For action items, keep them concise, include an owner, and note a due date if you have one. Small, consistent details make follow-up painless. That's it. You've navigated to ClickUp, opened the right space, created or selected a doc, added blocks, and applied a meeting notes template. From here, your notes are saved automatically, and you're ready for your next meeting with a clean, reliable workflow.